Hello. Today we're going to walk through new functionality now available in KPA EHS, which is the ability to pull information directly from an employee profile into the form as a new field. So within an employee profile, let's just take a look at this really quickly. There is a lot of information related to that employee. So their job title, their role, who their supervisor is, etc. You may also have added custom fields such as vaccination status and things that might be related to your business as custom employee fields. All of this information can be pulled directly into a form, and we will demonstrate that now. So we'll go over to our forms list and go ahead and edit a form that we want to pull employee information to. So incident report would be a great example of this. I'm going to go ahead and edit this form. And we'll scroll down. I'm going to go ahead and find a field I've already created in my incident report to capture employee information. So here I have my employee selection field, which I had added as a select field. So if we're going to do this again, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate again. We would choose a select field. We'll go ahead and give it a name. Say this is going to be our employee. Make it a little bit different name there. And I would edit this field, and within this settings, I'm going to go ahead and source this drop-down menu from my employee list. So when I go to fill out this form, I don't want to have to type in the employee name. I want this to be a selection field sourcing from my list of employees within KPHS, which is functionality that we had previously. Now, in addition to the employee selection source, when you choose that employee source from the field, you now have the option to choose your populate fields. So these are the fields that are all pulling from that employee profile that you want to populate onto this form. So maybe in this instance, I want to include their hire date. I also want their email address. Maybe I also want their job title, but you can see I can scroll through and choose any number of information that I want to include automatically on this form. Maybe we'll add employee number as well. When you've selected your populate fields, you can go ahead and click done. And you'll notice I'm back at my form editor now. And you'll see my second field that I added for employee there, which I called employee 2, now has several fields below it that are also called employee 2 with a dash and then the name of that profile field that is going to automatically populate. So this automatically creates the fields within the form. There's nothing else for me to do here. If you want to, you can go ahead and edit these fields and set visibility settings, or there's some other advanced features that may apply, but these will automatically populate if we are going to go ahead and complete the form. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So let me go ahead and save my changes to the form that I've just edited. And let's fill this out to demonstrate how those auto-populate fields work. So I'm going to go ahead and start over a new incident report. I have a lot of data to complete if I need to, but I'm going to go ahead and scroll through just so we can get right to those auto-populate fields. And here's that second field that I just created called employee 2. You'll notice the pre-populate fields show below. But as soon as I choose the employee from the list, I'm going to go ahead and choose Derek Brown as the employee here. You'll notice it creates a link where I can go ahead and open up that employee's profile directly from the form. And then the information that was provided for Derek Brown automatically populates those pre-populate fields below. So with the email address, employee number, hire date, and job title, if job title was provided. That really completes the demonstration of the employee auto-populate fields. Thank you.